Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today our topic is how to create ledgers in TallyPrime. Before we start, if you have not subscribed my channel, requesting you to subscribe it. So let's see these steps in TallyPrime software. The common ledgers that every business is required are customer, supplier, purchases, sales, cash, banks, and so on. So guys, we are on the main screen of Tally, known as Gateway of Tally. From here, to create ledgers, click on Create button, then Ledgers. This is the ledger creation screen. On the name place, enter the name of the companies. For example, we are going to create customer ledger, Medina Supermarket LLC. Press enter and select the respective groups from the list. So for customer, select sundry debtor. So press S button to filter from the list. Press enter on sundry debtor and press enter to move forward. Mention the address of the customer, for example PO Box 12345, and which Emirates belongs from. For example, customer belongs from Ajman. What is the PO Box? You can mention in the PO Box menu also. Mobile number and provide contact details. You can make it yes, and mention the contact person name, phone number, email ID, website number, website details, etc. And then select regular to mention the VAT TRR number. Just for example, I will mention the TRR number as 1 and save the screen. Press yes to accept the screen. Also, you can use Ctrl A button to accept the screen as a shortcut. Next, purchase ledger. Press enter. Select purchase group and press Ctrl A button. Next, sales ledger and select sales group and press Ctrl A button. Next, select cash account and select cash in hand. Press Ctrl A to accept the screen. Next, bank account. Under bank group, and mention all the accounts details, account number, IBAN number, SWIFT code, which banks belongs from, and then press Ctrl A to save the screen. So like this, other ledgers also you can create same as it is. So we'll go back to the main screen. So guys, if you want to edit the created ledgers, so you have to go to alter option, ledgers, and all the ledgers which we have created just now will appear here. The particular ledger you want to modify it or you want to delete, you can press enter on that, and you can change the name, you can modify the name, or you can press delete options, Alt D button to delete. Press yes to delete. So you can see from this list the cash account is not anymore. Guys, I will show you one more way to create ledgers account directly from the data entry screen. So press escape button from here to go back to the main screen, and click on vouchers, and then click on open any documents. And for example, I have opened sales account, and you can see here all the customer account will display from the list of ledgers. For example, if any customer account is not available from the list, so you can click on directly on create menu, and the same ledger creation screen will appear in front of you. On the name place, same as it is, you can mention the company name. For example, Dadar Private Limited. Press enter and select the group as sundry debtor, and press enter button to accept the screen. Yeah, so again I will press backspace button, and I can see the other private limited is available in the list. Also, there is one more shortcut button you can use to create ledgers, any ledgers, whether it is a customer account or a supplier account or cash account or bank account or any other expenses. Any screen, data entry screen you can use Alt C button to create ledgers creation screen. So same screen again you will navigate, and then on the name place you can use the name of the ledgers and mention the specific groups which belongs from, and save the ledgers. So guys, I believe you got an idea how to create ledgers in TallyPrime software. So now I would like to take you to ledger reports. To see the ledger reports, press escape button from this screen, and we'll come back to the main screen gateway of Tally. From here, click on chart of accounts and then ledgers. You will able to see group wise, ledger wise report. Here you will see the main group, for example sundry debtors. Under sundry debtors we created two customer accounts, Dadar Private Limited, Madina Supermarket, and for example we created bank account groups. We under bank account groups, bank account ledger we created. So all the list of ledgers with their groups will display on this screen. If you would like to see only ledger view, so on the right hand side click on ledger view menu, and you will able to see ledger wise all the reports with a series 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12, like this. All the list of ledgers you will able to see in a series, and also with the main groups and with their opening balances. If you have mentioned any opening balances, will display on this same screen. So guys, in this video we have learned how to create ledgers, how to alter the ledgers, and how to delete the ledgers in TallyPrime software along with the ledger report. That's all for today. See you in my next video. Please like, share and comments. Thanks for watching my video. Have a wonderful day.